Point the camera at your face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Hi guys, we're back out with the DJI Flip, and today we're gonna check out the new Dolly zoom that came out with the last firmware. I think that was a couple of weeks ago. I haven't seen too many people doing the Dolly zoom, but anyways, we've opened it up. We're connected to the drone. We're gonna click on Dolly zoom at the bottom. Okay, now I think what we're gonna do is go into settings. Okay, hit custom. Okay, they have a number of settings that you can have in here. You can have medium, full, wide, range of 1 to 2x zoom, 1 to 3x zoom, fly away before zooming. I think I'm going to put that on. That was off. Camera mode, video, yes. Okay, why don't we, flight distance. I wonder if you can change that. Flight distance. It has flight distance of 9 meters. 9 meters. So that's maybe about 30 feet. Okay, in wide, it's 12 meters. So that's, almost 40 feet. Medium is giving you about 5 meters. So that's about 15 feet. So why don't we start out with medium, and we'll do the 1 to 3x, and we'll do the fly away before zooming. Okay, so custom Dolly zoom. Let's start the drone.
3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first.
Oh, all right. So because we're using the phone, we're gonna have to. Because we're using the phone, we're gonna have to point the DJI Flip towards us, and then we'll click start. Okay, so let's click start. Okay. So it should go, for medium, it should go about 15 feet. It looks like it's doing about 15 feet. And it's coming back to us. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, let's go back into settings. Let's go back into settings. And we'll do the custom. And we're going to do a full. Okay, and a full was, what did we say? How many meters was that? Okay, so for full, that's gonna go out 9 meters. So maybe about 30 feet. So let's do another takeoff. Okay, let's put her up here where she can see me. And here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so she should go back about 30 feet. Is that 30 feet? No, she's still going. She's still going. Okay. There you go. There's the Dolly zoom. She comes right back to you. I really think that's cool too. So let's land it. Now let's go back into settings and do custom again, and we'll do wide, and wide is 12 meters. So that's between 35, 40 feet. So let's go back out here. Let's do another takeoff.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this is going to go back a little bit farther. It looks like the wind was pushing it down. It's a little bit breezy today, but not bad. Okay, she went a little bit farther. And this is wide. A wide dolly zoom. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Well, this is really neat that they've added dolly zoom onto the DJI Flip. The last time I seen DJI do any kind of dolly zoom was on the Mavic 2 zoom, and frankly I haven't seen that feature on any of their new drones since the Mavic 2 zoom. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to check and see if they actually put dolly zoom on the DJI Neo, which might be kind of cool for anyone that just has the Neo. If anyone out there knows that it does have the new dolly zoom feature, let me know in the comments. Okay, what are we gonna do with this? We haven't used the phone with this drone very often. Okay, let's stop recording. Okay. Custom, let's go back in. Okay, what else is in custom? Okay. So it looks like everything else in the custom on the phone app is still the same. They've just added the dolly zoom in the last firmware. You still have the helix, the boomerang, the direction track. So yeah, that is a cool update. Okay, we're gonna try let's see. Let's do 3 in the 2x zoom. We'll go back to medium. Okay, let's go back out here. I better get it over here close to me. So I'm gonna have to do manual control. Manual control. Turn it so that it's actually looking at me. Stop recording. Put it in custom dolly zoom. Okay, so the 2x is a very short distance. It only goes 3.4 meters. So let's click start. Obstacle sensing. Okay. Oh, that's a very, very short one. Very short one with the 2x zoom. Okay, let's go back in there into the custom. And let's do the full. Full is only 6 meters. So when you have it on the 2x zoom, you're not getting really much of a dolly zoom. I would suggest using the 3x zoom. But anyways, we're gonna test both of them there. So the 2x zoom, we're in full, and we'll go back in and we'll click start. Okay, she went lower that time. I don't know why. Okay, and she's coming back. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to go back into wide. And we're at the 2x zoom, which is only 8 meters. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, she's backing up, 8 meters. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that is really cool. Okay, now I would suggest if you're gonna do the dolly zoom, in the settings, do the flyaway before zooming. I think you're probably gonna get a better dolly zoom. I'm gonna turn the flyaway before zooming and see what we get in that, so I can show you that. Okay, so with the flyaway before zooming off, let's put it back on medium, and let's click start. Let's see what it does. And this is 2x zoom. Well, it's still flying away. Still flying away, maybe not as far, but again, that's the 2x. Okay, so I really didn't see a difference there. I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to do the 3x, but I'm still leaving the flyaway before zooming. I'm still going to leave that. Okay, and let's try it at 5.1 meters. And we're on 3x zoom. Yeah, it still flies away before doing that dolly zoom. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, that's all the testing for the dolly zoom I think we're going to do today. If you like that little demonstration I just done, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.